Did you know the Quran describes scientific facts 1,400 years before scientists prove them? Science and Islam are like twin sisters. They both say the same thing, but one is earlier, and the other modified the claims that the other sister already made. First, let's talk about the Big Bang Theory, the theory that explains the creation of the universe. But would you believe that the Quran already told us about this 1,400 years ago? Here, have a listen to this Quranic verse. It is said in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, about the Big Bang. The heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation, then we cleft them asunder? The Quran describes the universe starting as one point and expanding. Exactly what Big Bang Theory proves. Scientists confirmed this only in the 20th century, but the Quran stated it 1,400 years ago. 1,400 years ago, the Quran revealed scientific truths that modern science just proved. This is no accident. This is proof that knowledge comes from the divine. It is said in Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 12 to 14, about the human development. We made him a drop, then a clinging form, then a lump, then bones clothed in flesh. These four stages match fetal development perfectly. Sperm-egg union, to embryo attachment, to tissue formation, to skeletal system, to muscle growth. Ultrasound confirms each stage. Look at a mountain. What do you see? Just a giant rock, right? But the Quran knew something scientists only discovered recently. It is said in Surah An-Naba, verse 6 to 7, about the mountains. Have we not made the earth as a bed and the mountains as pegs? Mountains function like pegs, with deep roots anchoring them into the earth's crust. Geology proves mountains stabilize the planet, exactly like pegs work. Follow a raindrop's journey and discover how the Quran described nature's perfect cycle. It is said in Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 18, about the water system. We send down water from the sky, and it soaks into the soil. The Quran perfectly describes evaporation to wind transport to cloud formation to rain to soil infiltration. This complete cycle matches modern meteorology exactly. In 1929, science discovered something the Quran stated 1,400 years earlier. The heaven, we have built it with might, and we are indeed expanding it. The Quran says the universe is expanding, a fact only proven in 1929 by scientist Edwin Hubble. The Quran stated this scientific truth 1,400 years earlier. 5 facts. 1,400 years. 0 coincidences. The Quran and science aren't opposite. They're proof of one creator's wisdom. Seek knowledge. It's worship. Subscribe for more!